In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Smartsheet. Whether you're looking to print the whole sheet or just specific sections, I'll guide you through the entire process to make sure everything comes out just the way you want. Let's dive right in. First, if you're interested in printing only particular rows from your Smartsheet, you'll want to start by selecting those specific rows. This step is optional, but super helpful if your goal is to highlight certain data without printing an entire sheet. To select specific rows, simply click on the row numbers along the left-hand side. If you change your mind and decide to select all the rows, just click on the little square at the top left corner where the rows and columns intersect. This will instantly highlight everything on your sheet. Once you've chosen what you want to print, the next step is to access the print setup options. Begin by navigating to the File menu, which you can find in the top left corner of your screen. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Print option. This will open up the Print Setup window, where the magic happens. In the Print Setup window, you'll see a variety of settings you can configure to ensure your printout is exactly how you want it. First, decide on the print range. You can choose to print all rows, which is handy for a comprehensive printout, or just stick with the selected rows if you've made specific selections earlier. Next up is the orientation. This setting is all about how your content is laid out on the paper. You can opt for portrait orientation, which is taller, or landscape, which is wider, depending on what suits your content best. Scaling is another important consideration. You can choose to fit your content to the page, which is great for ensuring everything is visible without having to scroll, or go for actual size if you prefer keeping everything true to its original scale. Also, consider whether you want to include headers and footers. These are useful for providing additional context or information, but sometimes you might want a cleaner look without them. After you've configured all these settings, it's important to preview your work. Take a moment to review the print preview to ensure everything looks as you expected. This step is crucial because it gives you a final chance to make adjustments before sending it to print. If everything checks out and you're satisfied with the preview, you're ready for the final step, printing your document. Click the Print button, and your document will either be sent to the printer or saved as a PDF, depending on your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully configured and sent your Smartsheet document to print. With these steps, you'll ensure your documents are printed exactly how you want, every single time. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.